First on this top 12 list, we have chamomile. Chamomile is known for its calming properties and can be used in teas and ointments to help with sleep and anxiety. The parts used are the flowers, fresh or dried. Chamomile is a treatment as a mild sedative. It calms nerves, helps with hyperactivity, fussiness, pain, settles the stomach, helps with colic and teething, fever, and swelling. Next on our list is echinacea, also known as purple cornflower. It is commonly used to boost the immune system and fight off infections. It is not a daily tonic, but should be used in small, frequent doses at the onset of symptoms. The parts used include the leaves, flowers, seeds, and roots. Echinacea can be a treatment for better metabolism, the immune system, for snake and scorpion bites, for bacterial infections, gum and tooth infections, respiratory infections. It increases the metabolic functions. It helps the lymphatic system react better. It's also good to use topically on wounds and abscesses. You can use it as a gargle for sore throats. It stops the spread of infection and also helps treat UTIs. Lavender is pretty to have in any garden. Great for stress relief, lavender can be used in teas and essential oils. The part used is the flower. Lavender can be a treatment for many things. It is an antibiotic. It helps with cancer treatment. It helps with dementia. It is a sleep aid. Helps with pain. Helps with alopecia or hair loss, eczema, head lice, stress headaches, discomfort following childbirth, anxiety, cognitive performance, depression, nervousness, rheumatoid arthritis, some ulcers, insect bites, migraine, dyspepsia, and bloating. Please note, those with pollen allergies need to try this herb in small doses first. Used to reduce stress and improve sleep, lemon balm can also be used to relieve digestive issues. It is a member of the mint family, and the leaves look very similar, but the smell is much more lemony. So, with this plant, the parts used are the leaves. Lemon balm can ease stress and calm those with anxiety and a nervous stomach. It helps calm digestive tract issues and feelings of nausea. In its essential oil form, lemon balm can help to clear herpes simplex 1 and 2 outbreaks. Applied topically as an infused oil or poultice, it can aid in the treatment of chickenpox and shingles. For children, it can be a great nighttime treatment for sleeplessness and help prevent nightmares. Please note, pregnant women and hyperthyroidism patients should avoid using lemon balm. Peppermint is known for its cooling properties. The parts used are the leaves and the flowers, either fresh or dried. On the digestive tract, peppermint can help alleviate gas, bloating, colic, IBS, nausea, especially when accompanied by headache. A cup of peppermint tea after a meal aids in digestion. It relaxes the digestive system. On the respiratory system, a menthol of peppermint can be used as a chest rub and a smelling herb to help clear lungs by loosening phlegm. It can also help shrink swollen membranes in the sinuses, acting as a decongestant. It is useful for skin and hair because of its soothing anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with insect bites, and it can calm hot, red skin condition and tighten pores. It has antiseptic actions to clean the skin. It is often used in salve form to treat eczema. It can also help alleviate excessive sweating. Interestingly enough, the smell is a snake and mouse repellent. The oil repels adult mosquitoes and can kill the larva. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, sage is commonly used for sore throats and other respiratory issues. The part used is the leaves. Sage can be a treatment for inflammation of the mouth, throat, and tonsils. It is a useful mouthwash for many things, including gingivitis, stomatitis, ulcers, laryngitis, pharyngitis, and tonsillitis. It promotes wound healing when used as a compress, helps with dyspepsia, it decreases sweating. It is also a natural organic pest control as well as a deer deterrent. Avoid during pregnancy other than the amount used on foods, and do not use for extended periods of time. Please don't forget, while you're at it, to like this video, subscribe to our page, and ring that notification bell so you are always aware of when we post new videos. We would really appreciate it. Thank you. We are most familiar with ginger for all its uses in delicious Oriental dishes, but ginger has a very wide range of health benefits. The part used is the rhizome, which grows from the root of the plant. And ginger is amazing in the treatment of many different issues. It can help with colds and flus, vomiting, abdominal pain, arthritis, headaches, menstrual cramps. It can lower cholesterol. It improves circulation. It helps in indigestion, laryngitis, heart health. It can help bring on menstruation. It has anticoagulant properties. It increases blood flow, neutralizes toxins, cleanses your intestines. It helps make food easier to digest, and you can use it as a gargle for sore throats. Turmeric is next on our list of amazing herbs. The part used is either the dried or fresh rhizome, which grows from the root. Please note that you do not want to take turmeric in larger doses if you are on blood thinning medications or if you have gallstones. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. It helps with arthritis, asthma, psoriasis, and eczema. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is an antibacterial all on its own. You can apply it to your skin and expose it to sunlight. It is a stronger antioxidant than vitamin E. It may prevent or aid in the treatment of cancers, dementia, and autoimmune disorders. Turmeric lowers cholesterol levels. It is an anticoagulant. It increases bile production and protects the stomach and liver. It helps alleviate nausea, gastritis, and acidity in the stomach, and can help reduce the risk of stroke and heart attacks. Turmeric's most active component is curcumin, a compound that can promote wellness in both the body and brain. It reduces the harmful effects of chronic inflammation, lessening your risk of cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative problems like Alzheimer's. And now we will discuss valerian. The part used is the flowers and the rhizome. While it is not designed for long-term use, valerian is not addictive. Valerian is a powerful nervine with strong tranquilizing effects on the central nervous system. It can be used to treat a wide variety of nervous system conditions, insomnia, and mild pain. It has been a popular relaxant since Roman times and has been found to be as effective as benzodiazepines. The rhizome and root are used to treat epilepsy because they reduce mental overactivity. It's really good for those who can't switch off. Use valerian about 30 minutes before bed to treat insomnia. It can be used with ashwagandha to sleep through the entire night. It treats mild to moderate pain. In low to moderate doses, valerian can be used long-term for more chronic issues like insomnia, anxiety, sleeplessness, pain, and PTSD. Last but definitely not least is yarrow. The parts used are the flowers and leaves. You do need to use caution during pregnancy and breastfeeding, and do not use if you are taking prescription anticoagulants. This particular herb is anti-inflammatory, antiviral. It is a diaphoretic, hemostatic, and a styptic. It excels at preventing infection, promoting healing, and slowing bleeding. As a poultice, it has been used for centuries with amazing results on wounds. As a matter of fact, Achilles used yarrow on his troops to protect and help stop and stem the blood flow from their wounds. It induces sweating, which cools the body. It minimizes internal bleeding as well. It can dilate blood vessels. It has anti-tumor properties and helps combat cold and flu. It lowers blood pressure, regulates menstrual flow, tones varicose veins, and helps with digestive